Hey all, welcome to my YouTube channel Shahi Works. In this video, we are going to learn one of the important feature of Excel, which is known as data manipulation, also known as data cleaning technique. Data manipulation includes removing duplicates or removing the empty cells and changing the raw data into more useful form. Excel not only helps for storing the data but also it mainly helpful for manipulating and analyzing the data. Here we are using text to columns as a data manipulation technique because text to column is a powerful tool which helps us to split the data, combine the data or multiple columns based upon the specific delimiters of what we use. Uses of text to column manipulation. For instance, in the last video I have posted about the flash fill where we will be separating or joining data. Like the same wise here also for text to column we are using the same format. Instead of flash fill, this is another one option. Now we are going to see the step-by-step process of using the text to column feature in Excel. How to use this? First, you have to select the text which you wanted to transform into text to column or make change. After selecting, go to the ribbon at the top. You can able to see data in that select text to column. Or you can able after selecting the data, you can able to use Alt plus A plus E. This will take into the page of delimited. Navigate to the data tab, you can able to see the text to columns. After that, follow the prompts. You can able to choose any one of delimited or fixed width. You can choose any one according to you. Your data has hyphen, semicolon or even spaces, go for delimited option. Fixed width, but delimiter is mainly useful for separating some specific spaces, columns or using a specific characters like colon, semicolons, etc. Now I'm going to show some examples of using removing data. First, at the top left you can able to see downward rectangle. Click on it. This helps us to select total data in the sheet. After clicking it, go to top data. There you can able to see remove duplicates. Click on the checklist of whatever you want. After clicking OK, I am able to see no duplicates value was found. Now we are going to see another example of text to column feature. Instead of flash fill, you are using it. For using this, you have to go to data and there you can able to see text to column. Here I am getting no data was selected because before doing this step, you have to select the data of what you want to do the changes. I am selecting I want day, month and year, so I am selecting the order date where I can able to see day, month and year together in a single cell. So I am clicking it. After clicking, go to data, go to text to column. Now you can able to see delimited or fixed width. I want you to know the difference between delimited and fixed width. So now I'm going to use fixed width for your understanding purpose. After selecting it, I'm going to click next. Here, before selecting next, you can able to see the preview of the selected data. Click next. After clicking next, you will able to see this page. Here, you have to use a separator. For using a separator, just click on it wherever you want to place the separator. Accidentally, I have chosen in the wrong place. So to remove, I have to double tap on the arrow button. Here, you can able to see the arrow has been removed. Like this you can able to remove if you have misplaced the arrow. You should place this arrow only in the place where you want to able to remove. After separating this, I am giving next. After coming to the next page, you can able to see this type of view. Here in destination you have to choose. So click on the arrow button and select the column where you want to place this answers. I am selecting day, the first column. After selecting on the up, you can able to see the arrow button. Click on it. This will take you back to the page of what we are doing. Now click at the third column, which is the year. After choosing the destination, click the down third column where you can able to see the year. Always click on third for every option for other data also, and at last click finish. Now you can able to see that the day and year are very clear, but month is not clear. Also, for only one column we have did this for so that we have to choose the column wisely before selecting this technique. So again I am choosing all the column and going to data and choosing text to column. Again I am using fixed width, the same process. Here I am adding a separator. After doing this process, I am going to next. Here choose the third one. You can able to see the black column and I'm choosing the destination first column. After selecting it, choose the arrow which will be on the top. This will take you to the preview page and at the bottom you can able to see the finish. Click it. It's showing the data is already here. Do you want to replace it? I'm giving yes. Now you can able to see all the columns and all the rows have been manipulated. This is the use case of fixed width where you can be able to separate and you cannot change the specific characters like comma, spaces and colons. For this purpose only we are using delimited option. Delimited is best option for this. Here with the same data I am using delimited option instead of fixed width. Here giving next you can able to choose checking the box of space or any other you can also able to specify other options. Here I am giving hyphen because I have hyphen in the month and I have to give next. Choose the third one and don't forget to select the destination. Choose the arrow button. This will take you to the preview page. Click finish. Click OK. Now you can able to see the changes. That the hyphens was removed. So delimited is best used for specific columns or spaces for removing it, whereas fixed width is just used for separating. I am rearranging it because it is not placed in the center. Going to see another example. Here we have to extract only the phone numbers, not 91, only the 10 digits after the 91 we have to extract it. For this the same way I am using delimited. After that I have to click next or fixed width. Here I am using fixed width. Clicking next, I have to choose a separator. I have to place it in after 91 plus. Accidentally I have placed in a wrong place, so I am double clicking and removing the arrow and again I am placing in the correct space. Click the last column which will appear in black column. After that at last choose destination of first column. Don't forget to click this arrow and at last don't forget to click finish. Now you can able to see that phone number has been extracted. I am copying and paste it here. Likewise the same you can do for all the columns. At the first itself, click or select all the columns. Here is another example where I have to extract the first name and the last name both separately. So I am selecting all the data. Go to data, click text to columns. Here I am using the delimiters because I am having space in it. Hope that now you are able to understand the difference between using delimited and fixed width. Click next, choose the third column which appears to be black. Click the arrow for choosing the destination. Click the first column or first row. Select the arrow button and at last don't forget to click the finish. Now you can able to see the difference. This is how you will be able to use delimited and fixed width for data manipulation in Excel, which is another option of using Flash. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more tips like this. Do support. Thank you.